Hello and welcome to part 2 of the restoration of my very first RC car. After fitting the new motor and gearbox, it was time to fit the new speed controller. Once the new speed controller was fitted, it was time to fit the new shiny wheels, which followed by dismantling the front of the car to take the old body mount off, because I bought a replacement one on eBay, because as you can see it has snapped. After fitting the new body post, it was time to fit the receiver for the XP120 radio I had laying about. I think I took out the MT10, and then once we did that, we gave it a test, and it worked! So with that said, it's now time for the before and after. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.